Dreaming about building but concerned it will take too long and be too complicated? No worries, we have the perfect solution. This ready-to-build 1 acre with Olympic Mountain views is in the center of the Blue Hole, nestled in the Dungeness Valley in the highly sought-after Carlsberg area of Sequim, Washington. Valuable irrigation is already installed, and PUD power is installed at the road, meaning no extended wait times for transformers or other equipment. The soil registration is already recorded and seems to indicate below-ground septic saving you money. The well is scheduled to be installed and the developer has paid all your mitigation fees. Whether you are building your dream home or weekend retreat, this is an easy build. Bring your builder or bring your plans and we'll show you what's next. Convenient location near the Dungeness River, Olympic Discovery Trail, 2 golf courses, beaches, dining, and shopping. Iconic Sunny Farms is just up the road.